Hi folks, welcome to the Principal Trader channel. We specialize in commodity and forex trading. In this video, we'll cover how to make your Windows MetaTrader 4 installation portable. There are various reasons why one would do this. The main reason, for many traders, is to ensure you have a workable backup in case of an emergency. Another reason is to easily move from one VPS to another. If you like to know more about the proper setup of your MetaTrader 4 VPS, please click on the link in the video or in the description below. Before we start, make sure you have closed MetaTrader and have a backup in case something goes wrong. By the end of this video, you will have a set of files you can copy to any compatible Windows installation and just run with minimal effort. It contains all your robots, templates, chart setups, set files and custom indicators in one convenient place. The first step is to find the user-specific folder. This is where MetaTrader stores all the user configuration. The quickest and easiest way is to open MetaTrader 4 and select File from the menu, and then open Data folder. A list of files representing your user configuration will open. At this stage, it is best to clean up any old log files, old history, old templates and any file you no longer use. Refer to the mql5.com website for detailed information on the folder structure and purpose of each file if required. The second step is to copy the files from the two MetaTrader paths into a separate folder. This can be a folder you created in your favorite file sync software. We used Mega in the demo, the window on the right of the screen. Now copy all the files and folders from the Program Files folder first to the right window. Our Program Files folder is located on the lower left quarter of the screen. It is important to copy the program files first as there are some user-specific files in the user folder that we will replace in the next copy action. Next, copy the files and folders from the user folder located in our top left quarter of the screen to the right window. Choose to replace any existing items if required. The third step is to create a portable execution shortcut. Follow the video instructions to create a new shortcut and edit the shortcut properties string by adding /portable at the end of the path. Rename the shortcut to any descriptive name you prefer and copy it to an accessible place for easy execution, like the desktop in this example. Test the shortcut to confirm that the MetaTrader application runs correctly. You may be prompted to enter your password depending on your MQL security profile and broker settings. As you can see, All user settings and program files are now stored and executed in a single location. After you confirm the application is working, you can close MetaTrader and synchronize all your files to your favorite file sharing application. You have now successfully completed the tasks for creating a portable version of MetaTrader 4. We hope this video assists you to become a consistently profitable trader. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Happy trading!